Whenever you start new innings, there's always pressure. Pressure of saving your wicket, scoring runs and scoring them fast. But when you are committed for long innings, in some time, you start observing the ball well and hitting your shots. Same applies to equity markets too. When we start investing, we feel similar pressure. But if we remain invested for long term, the performance is fantastic. Equity mutual funds have delivered handsome returns in the long term. An SIP of Rs 30,000 per month for 15 years. Total invested amount Rs 54 lakhs is now worth Rs 2.06 crores at 16.25% CAGR. Don't feel the pressure of investment. Invest for long term in equity mutual funds. Contact your advisor now.